In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an indoor lighting. Let's create two planes. S to scale. G and Z to move on the Z-axis. On the first plane, let's add a UV grid as usual. Let's add a teapot. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Let's set the modifier's render level as 3 as well. I'll add a shiny material for the teapot mesh. Time to decrease the HDRI strength. For the second plane, let's add the emission shader. Please experiment with more lights with the emission shader, if the scene requires more light sources. Let's remove these lights for now. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.